Today is May 21st, 2015. As you can see, my Xbox One version has arrived and came in a day early. It was supposed to come Friday, but it came today on the 21st instead of the 22nd. As you see, I have the PlayStation 4 Collector's Edition as well. I really wanted the Xbox One version the most because it comes with the two Gwent card decks and the cloth map. And you see, this is the keychain. It comes inside the pouch. This is the keychain for pre-order. So, as you can see, without further ado, I'm going to move the PlayStation version out the way. As you can see here, this is the Xbox One Collector's Edition. Shows the statue. And here's all the contents inside. You get the Xbox One Witcher 3 Wild Hunt game itself, the collector's box. You get the world map, the Witcher Universe Compendium, the soundtrack, the game manual. We all miss those. Games do not come with those anymore. You get the 100% hand-painted polystone figure statue. You get the medallion, the cloth map, the Gwent card decks. You do not get that in the PS4 version or the cloth map of the collector's edition. You get the stickers, steel bookcase, and the art book. This is the Xbox One version. You can see this is for the Xbox One. So without further ado, let's unbox this. As you can see, this is the signatures of the developers. All inside. And you are greeted with the collector's. Ooh, some more goodies. The collector's box. So let's pull this out. It is heavy too. It's got some weight to it. The package itself is 18 pounds. The statue is 10 pounds by itself.